open your image in Photoshop, the image itself directly. Now, normally I ask you to create a new file when you're creating new artwork. In this case, we'd want to find out the information about your image. So in that case, we want to be in Photoshop, okay? Then you want to go to File and click on File Info. File Info gives you all of the information for your photo. Not only that, but what camera you took it with, the lens you took it with, and there's all of your shot information, okay? So when I ask you for your shot information, this is what I'm looking for, right? Your focal length was at 45. My exposure was 4 seconds. It was on an f9 with an ISO of 100. Shutter priority, which is what I was asking for this week and for last week. And then the image size and resolution. Okay, so if you need it, it is there. There are other programs that you might have. It is somewhere in the file information, okay? I promise you. If you go into the file and look at file info, there should be one of those areas that allows you to find that out. Hope that helps.